Hi, this is Nick McCloskey, and I'd like to give you an overview of one example of a solution that can be built on the PMG digital business platform. So what I'm showing right now is just a dashboard that can be created, and this one's specific about onboarding, offboarding employees. And I have the ability here, if I wanted to go and onboard a new employee, click on the form, and it brings me to a set of questions. Now, these questions are configurable. This is just an example of how they could be set up. Obviously, every organization has something different. So here I'll fill out this form with information that's required. Now, obviously, these questions could be different based on your organization and things that you need to be able to onboard somebody. Or this information actually could be fed in from your HRIS system. But you'll want to choose who the person is, what kind of access they're going to get, because the provisioning of this activity will all be automated. Here on the status page, we are able to see information about the process as it runs. At the top are the high-level milestones, as well as further detail in the history, such as we're currently waiting on an approval from me. I will go and approve through the work dashboard, and then let's take a look at the workflow together. Here is the actual workflow that's being executed. This was created in the Workflow Designer, where you drag and drop actions and then configure those actions to build out the process. Now, in this case, we're doing an approval, and then we go and we create the account in Active Directory. And this is all automated, and then we go and provision access to different systems. Now, as long as there's an API that can be called or a backend database that can be integrated with, we have actions that allow you to automate that process. Back on the history page, we can see all the activities are now completed, whether that work was done automatically or through a manual task. There's also the ability to add comments. We can look at different profiles of your employees and contractors. Because all the work's done through PMG, we know what was added, what was removed, who approved it, and can set up these profile pages so that you're aware of what a person has. This is especially important when you are looking at someone who's left the company, like a contractor or an employee, to make sure that all of their access has been removed. I hope this video showed you how you can set up processes to onboard and offboard contractors and employees through the help of PMG.